So for Video Journal 8 for Law and Ethics, the first question is, what is copyright infringement? And that is using somebody else's work for your own, as your own. So in gaining, using that for personal gain. So you making money off of it, or you're using it without the consent of the person who originally made it. When should you apply for a copyright and why? You should apply for a copyright pretty much when you get an idea, and you formulate it and put it down on paper. Because if it's just an idea, it's not copyrightable. But if you have it laid down on paper, then it is liable to be copyrighted. And you should do that because the sooner you copyright it, the sooner that you can use it for your own personal gain and make your own money off of it before somebody else may either come up with the same idea or take the idea that you have for it. What are remedies that you can be awarded if you win a copyright battle? You can be awarded up to I think the full percentage of whatever somebody makes off of your copyright, and they can also end up paying your legal fees as well. I can't remember the exact term for what that is, but I know that's something that is I know those two things are possible. If somebody's using your copyright, what is the process to stop it? I don't know. Honestly, I didn't get to watch those videos. So, two ways to prove infringement. One way would be the proof that they're using your work or some form of your work in any way. When it comes to music, which is prevalent, like if somebody's using a sample from a song that you made without your consent or without having already paid you for it, or without you saying it's okay for them to use it, that's one way that you can prove it. You just have to find what part of the music they used it in, and that's the only way that I can think of right now. The purpose of the demand letter, and if you receive one, I don't know those. And to avoid using infringed work would be to not, to make sure that you check in each thing that you use is for a copyright, to make sure that if it doesn't have one, or if it does have a copyright, then you would want to get consent from the person that you're trying to use it. So you would need to either pay to use it, or get the approval from that person that you're trying to use their copyright, use their work for.